The 52nd batch Basic Course Trainees celebrated their passing out parade at the Northeastern Police Academy in Umsaw, Bhoi District of Meghalaya on the 21st of November 2023. The esteemed Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, graced the occasion as chief guest. Also present were the Director of NEPA, Anurag Agarwal, senior police officials, trainees, invitees, besides others.
Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma was re-elected from Jalukbari LAC with a record margin of 75,000 votes and was inducted into the government as a Cabinet Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Education and Guwahati Development Department.
परिलक्षित हो रहा है और आज इनके प्रशिक्षकों के परिश्रम और साधना सार्थक हो रही है। एक साथ बढ़ रहे इनके कदमों के आवाज़ के साथ बैंड की धूम से आज यहाँ पर जगह जोश व आनंद का अनुभव हो रहा है।
The parade is commanded by DYSP Probationer Ambarish Sharma of Assam Police Service. Second in command is Cadet Sub Inspector Himanta Sarma of Assam Police.
पहले प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं असम पुलिस के प्रशिक्षु उपाधीक्षक परीक्षित लाहौर।
Platoon number 2 is commanded by DYSP Probationer Himanshu Kuhai of Assam Police, comprising of 40 trainees.
तीसरे प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं असम पुलिस के कैडेट उप निरीक्षक दिग्विजय कोलिटा।
Platoon number 4 is commanded by Cadet Sub Inspector Shubhankar Dev Verma of Tripura Police Service, comprising of 48 trainees.
पांचवें प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं असम पुलिस के कैडेट उप निरीक्षक राजदूत शर्मा।
Platoon number 6 is commanded by The riding contingent is commanded by Inspector Shri on Vidyut.
Sir.
Responsibilities will contribute significantly to creating a safer and more secure environment to all and for all. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, while addressing a conference of DGP in 2014, presented the idea of smart police in the country. The idea of smart policing is a strategic approach that uses cutting-edge technology and evidence-based methods to integrate more science into the police operation. New digital technologies pave the path as to how police protect and serve the people. It is all about enabling the police to fight crime more quickly and effectively. Therefore, it is important to stay current with the technology and employ them appropriately. With the integration of cutting-edge technology, modern policing stands in the sharp contrast to the policing of yesteryears. In the present era, law enforcement has skillfully incorporated science and technology to tackle the ever-evolving complexities of crime. The utilization of advanced technologies, including data analytics, forensic tools, and surveillance system, has altered investigation and crime prevention strategies. This modernization not only enhance the efficiency of policing but also enable a more targeted response to the emerging challenges.